Here's a look at this arvyne silicone tape right here. Comes in this nice container. Just got this lid that pops open, and then you can pull out the whole roll and get it out of here. Here's a look at the roll. Now this tape's a little bit different than most tape, I guess, because it's not actually sticky all by itself. Like this piece isn't sticky. I'll show you how it works. So how it works is it bonds to itself. So the way that it starts to stick is when you attach it to itself, then now there's some stickiness to it. And the tighter you wrap it around itself, and it's also stretchy, so you can stretch it around itself, that gives it a stronger, tighter stick and seal. So I'll show you kind of how this works right here. Like if I have these scissors right here, it doesn't stick to the scissors. But I can take this tape, and if I just wrap it around, as you can see like this, then now it does definitely stick. And you can unroll it, so it's not it's not permanently stuck. But then if I really want it to have a much tighter stick and seal, then I can wrap it like this. And especially to get it started, you wrap it over itself because it sticks extremely well to itself. And then from there, you can just keep wrapping it all the way around, and it'll have a good, strong, solid stick. And then at the end of it, you just want to make sure you wrap it back onto itself. And you can see that it really is. It's kind of amazing how there's like not really much stick to it on its own, but when you wrap it over itself, it forms a really, really strong stick right there, to the point where, like, to open this from here, I'm pretty sure I'd have to break the scissors. So really, really strong seal. And if you need to peel it back up, you can, which doesn't mean that it's not a strong stick, because it is a really strong stick, but it also does give you the ability to unravel it if that's something you want to do. And then you can even just, once again, wrap it back around itself. And as long as you wrap it onto itself again, back onto the tape, then it will form a nice strong stick all over again. So very versatile, very useful. Just know that to get it to stick, you need to wrap it onto itself, and that's what forms its really tight stickiness, its really tight seal, its really tight bond. So there's a look at this arvyne silicone tape.